do we have a doozy for you today. We are checking up on Rogersville. We're almost done with that. And we have party in the parking lot in this episode. And then we're going to end with a completely rigged contest. Let's go.
I wasn't sure when you guys trusted me with this job if I was going to be able to survive.
Oh my god.
Why is this so exciting? We are making tie-dye Wiser Living shirts to kind of switch it up and match our balloon line. I guess it's not an art. Just
Match the whole party.
to match it. We just got 10 shirts to make, and we've got 1 of 10 made.
Yay! I need to touch it.
Those were the coolest t-shirts ever. There was people coming to this party in the parking lot, and they really wanted the t-shirts. Limited edition, of course.
So went to go check out this property. During our recent inspection, they had some issues, so we had to, let them know that it needed to be back up to par, and they kind of just let it go to waste.
We found a bunch of pests, insects. We found a bunch of colorings all over the walls. We found poop around the toilet on the walls. So I don't know what kids are doing, flinging things around. We just want people to work with us. That's the biggest thing. And we're here to take care of our property. You take care of me, I'll take care of you. Like, we'll just get things rolling.
They found poop on the walls.
I
forgot to tell them that.
I forgot that there was feces on the walls. I feel like they actually did make an effort, which is good. Like pretty much all the crayon drawings and all that stuff on the walls are gone. They did say that they called a local pest control service. They're gonna come out, from my understanding, every month to spray for them.
Wow. So they're making progress. That's all I care.
They are making progress. Other than that, yeah, I believe we should be all good.
We're gonna go check out Rogersville today.
Yeah.
You wanna go?
Oh, absolutely.
Tomorrow is party in the parking lot, so we gotta go pick up tables and chairs for that. Where you gotta go and check up on the Rogersville remodel that we're doing and make sure that it's getting done today. And then when we get back, Miranda and I have to work on an offer for a client who is moving from Minnesota.
And everybody is just waiting around. Let's go!
Whole crew is going to Rogersville.
Woo!
And picking up tables and chairs.
What all is there left to do? Just fixtures?
We'll see when we get there.
Yeah. We're here at the Rogersville house. A lot has happened since we've taken you here. We are about to wrap this thing up. We brought Brandon, we brought Chelsea, we brought my wife Miranda. Faith is behind this camera. We're gonna go check this place out. Look at this front, just beautiful. Oh man, it's looking good. What do you think?
It looks so good.
Kind of looks a little spaceshipy, but better than not having a shower. Ah. So they went in and painted all this, painted this. Did you fix the leak? Oh, there's no water down there.
The ground is no longer soaked all around. We're no longer getting bleed off down there.
So this used to be a window right here. This was the bathroom, but we decided to take the window out and just put a tile surround. So much better than a window. So much better.
The battles we've been facing. I just opened this and
That's dumb.
I had to drive to Branson yesterday for a set of garage doors. Because I ordered some, got them in, and they were totally beat up. So I called them back. They said, well, we got 2 more in stock, but they're pretty beat up. I'm like, well, that's why I'm returning these ones. So the only place I could find a set was in Branson.
Wow. I ordered some plates from Target once. They just threw them in a box.
It was
and I got a
built-in.
box of just shards.
You got a box of mosaic from.
Yeah, for real.
Mark's like, how'd they beat me here? How did we beat him here? That's weird.
They have so much stuff.
We must investigate. So this is an extremely rare occurrence. The whole Wiser Living team is at an investment property that we're fixing up. Like, not once has this ever happened where Mark, Brandon, Chelsea, me, Miranda, Faith, all of us were at one place at one time. And we were just enjoying it as a team. So the downstairs is the biggest question. They got some work to do.
Don't step on the sticky stuff.
I stepped on the
I got a little bit on it.
It is sticky. It's sticky.
Wet.
Yeah, I did not know that.
So these rooms, even with the blue, Miranda, when we walked in when it was just concrete, it looked a little sterile in here. But I think with just some sort of color on the ground.
Yeah, the carpet's darker.
Yeah.
My foot got stuck. Blue carpet.
What?
My foot is sticky.
Yeah, mine too. When we first bought the place, this whole area had a big leak, and that electrical outlet actually caught fire. So we had to come in. There was plumbing right here that we ended up taking out. It's come a long ways. Hey Jarrett, thanks for telling me not to step on this stuff.
No problem.
What is it?
That's glue for the carpet pad.
If you notice right here, Jared, which aka Hercules, is wearing a Wiser Living shirt. He just looks better looking. You have less glue now. Just a
You're
little.
not tracking on my tile, right?
Yes, I am.
That's alright, it still needs to be cleaned. So if you didn't bring those nice shoes.
Nah.
Hey, Mark.
Come this way.
Hi.
Check this out. Yeah, what do you think of that view?
It's so pretty.
It's come a long ways. So probably next time you see us here, it'll be completely done. We'll do a full walkthrough, and I am so excited. I'm just ready to get this rented out and quit, actually start paying, someone pay me for a chance instead of me paying, So this project took a total of 13 weeks. Seems like everything we touched, we found a problem. We ended up putting in $93,000 into this house. Since we put so much money into it, it's not really like a hold property. So we ended up putting it on the market, selling it, and we're probably gonna break even. But we get all of our money that we invested into it, look at it as just a wash and move on to the next project. That doesn't typically happen, but this one, that's the risk that you take with real estate. You don't know until you get into it. It's better to get the money out than to lose a bunch of money and end up walking away with nothing or less than what you had. So is this ready to?
Yep.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so we're clearing out. We'll get the paper tore up in here.
Well, I just want to see it. Can we do it?
Yeah. Well, yeah, we're gonna do it after review.
So the reason I wanted a reveal is because we normally got a lighter flooring, but this time we went with a little bit of a darker oak. Good thing we did it in a house out in the country because it came out completely rustic, and we're not the rustic type, we're more like the modern type. So we will not be doing this flooring again, but for this house specifically, it turned out great.
All right, y'all. This is a monumental moment. Y'all know how to reveal.
It is a little bit on the red tint side, like you said.
It's beautiful.
I think we're definitely gonna go back to the other flooring though. What's nice, and this is what's gonna save us on this flooring, because it's kind of rustic, is we're out in the country. So I think it kind of goes with it a little bit.
This will show less, like it gets something that actually does have slight damages to it, it will show a lot less. So it'll hold up longer overall.
I mean, it is scratch proof, waterproof,
It is.
dog proof, everything
It is.
proof,
It's
in-law proof, baby proof, the second cousin you don't like proof. Think you'll be all done today? Now that you see it, Brandon, what do you think?
You got 5 bedrooms, 3 baths.
Oh, it's
on
more
an
like
acre.
4 bedrooms, but with a non-conforming 5. Steven thinks that we can get $2,300 a month, but I'm like conservatively saying 2,000.
So the deer view alone is gonna get you an extra 200.
I like the way this turned out.
Yeah, we had to do a lot of work to really smooth that out. There was no way to ever get it perfect, but we did a
Yeah.
lot to really make it look a lot better. So remember, there was big holes there, big chunks, big chunks.
Oh
big
yeah.
hole.
Wonder if I can get that guy back out here to grind him. I don't know why he didn't grind him while he was out here.
Yeah, no, he just cut them off flush. I was wondering the same thing. We dug out to get the paint below grade,
Mhm.
then backfilled it a little bit to help with the slope.
Wow, look at that spider. That's almost like tarantula style.
Last year, and I held one bigger than that.
A wolf spider? That's ballsy.
Oh, you know, it was big enough that you could just grab its back.
Oh my gosh.
I took a piece of wood and I pinned it down and I grabbed its back.
Oh my gosh.
What is that? Is that a spider?
Mm-hmm.
Is that here?
Well, it looks like it's pregnant.
It is as an egg sac.
You pop it, and then all you hear.
This is the size of the fangs.
Are you holding it? Is that you?
Yeah, I held it on my face for the picture.
Wow.
There was a like 6-7 foot black snake that somebody had drove over. So I emptied out my lunchbox and put the snake in my lunchbox to bring it home to show the kids.
Oh, wow.
This is a good snake.
It's like true dad stuff.
Don't kill these.
I was like 7, 8 years old. My mom used to get mad at me because I used to catch snakes and put them in my pockets. And she wouldn't find them until she did the ass.
Oh my gosh. Chelsea, that's your future. You have a son.
I would have a heart attack.
My dad specifically used to tell me they were pocket snakes, so I had to put them in my pocket.
Wow.
On to the next project.
And he's like,
Goodbye, Steven.
lied to me.
Bye.
So, what'd you guys think?
It was really good. I love the remodel that they've done so far for everything. Especially that master. Completely changing that. That makes a whole difference for that room alone.
Yeah.
But that kitchen looks amazing. There's just actually so much. It really is.
I just think it's all really cute. Honestly, though, the front porch view and that window from the dining room.
That.
Yeah. It's super pretty.
Any closing remarks? Nope. You're good.
Yep.
Perfect.
It'll be funny. Whenever we get.
You lied.
We said 32.
4 and 8. Oh, yeah. Wait.
That would be 32.
No, it's 6. We did 6 of each.
That would be 4 times 2.
We are here picking up our tables,
Was there
chairs,
more?
and Connect Four for our party in the parking lot tomorrow.
Have a good day.
Thanks.
What's going on? We're out here at party in the parking lot. I'm so excited. We got bounce houses. We got everything the kids dream about. Ah! So we did party in the parking lot strictly for an opportunity for all of our past clients and future clients and anybody who wants to meet us. Come out and hang out with us because we want to see you guys face to face. We want to build that relationship with everybody. And it just gives us that opportunity to love on people and to show everybody that we are relational and that we're not just transactional.
Oh, watch it!
Woo! Today was a blast. I'm ready for a nap. Bunch of losers over here at the Jenga. You know who you were. You know who you were. Anyways, I'm just really excited that people showed up, honestly.
So for our customer appreciation event this year, we wanted to switch it up and kind of do things a little differently.
So every year we do a customer appreciation event. So we invite everyone that we've worked in that year. We treat you at a fancy dinner and basically just do a give back for choosing us to be your realtor and to let us represent you and just love on you. So now it's time for us to love on you even more and invite you to the customer appreciation event.
And so for the photo opportunity, we've got a black light with our tagline. I think it's gonna be so cool.
Let's plug it in.
Whoa. That is bright. Jesse!
Isn't that bright? That's what the dimmer's for. We gotta add that. What do y'all think of it?
It does dim a little bit.
Good?
That's really
Good
cute.
choice?
Well,
We are
it came
here
with the
together.
dimmer. We just don't seem to know how to work it.
10%. Okay, I'm gonna go 50. There you go.
Okay.
And then 100's obviously gonna be bright. This looks great. So
Our tagline is called Here Together. There's a comma because we're here. And there's slight pause, of course. If you need our help, we're here together. If you need us for anything, we're here together. So every year we have an annual pumpkin carving at Wiser Living. It is completely rigged, okay? But this year I got something up my sleeve. It's rigged because I never win. I don't know why I can't seem to get the winning pumpkin, but if we have contests and I don't win, it's absolutely rigged, okay? I'm just saying it, it's rigged. Mark's in here. Got power tools. We'll see who wins.
Which one's mine?
how do you feel about power tools?
I think it's a way for someone to cheat because this whole thing is rigged.
If that doesn't work, we got this.
Forget the store-bought.
Yeah. Gotta have a plan.
Oh man, I almost got lightheaded.
Overkill.
No.
That was the quickest and honestly greatest looking pumpkin I've seen.
It's the winner so far.
How's it going, Brandon?
I don't even know. It's been so long since I've done
You're
this.
going to.
Oh, great. I mean, I'm gonna win, so.
Yeah.
I'm missing one thing, but I don't know.
Love it.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Look like that W from Wiser Living.
That's really good.
So Chelsea's over there. She hasn't started yet because she won last year, and so she's scoping out the competition to come up with something better.
Chelsea, is that right?
It's because it's rigged.
No outside props.
Hey, I do what I can to win. I'm gonna have to drill a hole and it's gonna magically just, okay. Where's your drill bit?
Power tools. Props.
I need something longer.
This is a scam.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so funny. Chelsea won. She created a Mario from Super Mario and completely blew everyone out of the water except for Miranda. And she was like 3 votes behind. And all the men, Mark, me, and Brandon, were all in last place, which makes the contest extremely rigged. I'm just telling you right now. Hope you guys enjoyed it and all of our craziness. But next week is a full reveal of that property that we've been fixing for the past 13 weeks. Oh my gosh. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you see us next week with the reveal. Have a good one.